Nasa shed kami under the tree. My husband and I. Yes. Nagantay kami ng over namin para makapag sakay papunta sa sasakyan namin. Kasi pag bumalik pa kami, if we're going back there, I cannot walk because it's like about half an hour or an hour to get there. Is it right, honey? An hour or something?
Yeah, an hour's walk, man.
Yeah, an hour walk.
Or the rate you walk, yeah.
Pag ako daw maglalakad, abutin daw ng isang oras. We are just under the tree. Where's our Uber?
No, a minute.
Another minute?
Yeah,
Are you tracking with it?
yeah.
We're just under the tree. Pagod.